Hello again and welcome to Gadget and Fun, where technology meets play. Up next, we have a series of gadget clips you'll love. Each one opens up possibilities for both work and fun. Get ready, the Gadgets show starts right now. Get tasks done quicker with this gadget that blends speed with technology. Introducing a gadget that's as smart as it is functional. Let's take a look. Innovation meets practicality with this amazing gadget. See why this gadget is a staple for tech enthusiasts and practical users alike. This innovative gadget is designed for anyone, anywhere. Experience the convenience brought by this gadget's innovative features. Innovative, sleek, and indispensable, this gadget is your perfect daily companion. Unbox the future with this sophisticated and practical gadget. Get to know this high-performing gadget that everyone's talking about. Watch as we explore the simplicity and utility of this amazing gadget. Adding technology to your day can be simple with this gadget. Efficiency at its best, this gadget is here to save the day. Here's a gadget that's reliable, efficient, and incredibly handy. Effortless technology at its finest. This gadget will impress you. This device offers a sleek look and powerful features. Technology just got simpler with this high-performing gadget. Introducing a gadget that's as efficient as it is sleek, perfect for any home. This gadget is a trendsetter in both design and utility. Get ready to upgrade your gadget game with this simple yet powerful device. This innovative gadget is sure to become a must-have in your daily life. Turn your everyday tasks into something enjoyable with this high-tech gadget. This device makes any task effortless. Watch how it works wonders. Efficient, useful, and stylish, this gadget has it all. This gadget offers a smart solution to your everyday problems. Take a peek at this device's striking features that combine the best of technology and design. believe this? It's making life so much easier. This gadget is a standout with its robust features and sleek design. This is a game changer. It's going to make things so much better. Discover the perfect blend of functionality and style with this innovative gadget. With this gadget, you're not just keeping up, you're getting ahead. Who knew we needed this, but now can't live without it? Get ready to be amazed by this. It's really something. This invention is making waves, and it's easy to see why. This thing, it's changing the game, big time. This invention is all about bringing joy and ease into our lives. This is beyond cool. It's what we've all been waiting for. In a world full of gadgets, this one stands out. It's phenomenal. Making life simpler, one invention at a time. This is it. Imagine the possibilities with this. The sky's the limit.